Hello everyone, this is part 2 of a nopcommerce ImportManager plugin. In part 1 I covered product import examples, and in this part I'll cover a category import examples and language strings for categories. Okay, so let's go to the templates and add new template, and we'll try to import a category. We'll be using ID as a product key. The format will be comma separated value file, and let's name it category import. Okay, so we will be importing it from upload file, but we don't have that file right now. Let's save and continue. Okay, so let's go to the column mapping. Firstly, let's add the key, which is our category ID. It will be under the column which is named ID. The second one will be the name of the category with the column name of name. Next one will be the picture. We will cover the link here. Also we'll add the published value with name pub, and we can also add the, for example, picture alt attribute alt. So our mapping has 5 columns. Let's now open an Excel and create a comma separated value file with these 5 columns. Okay, so firstly we had ID, then name, then picture, alt, and pub, which is published. Okay, so our ID will be, let's look at our ID. So go to the categories and look through all the categories that we have, and the final category we have is a gift cards, and it's number 16, so ID of it is number 16. So we'll add a new category with ID number 17. The name will be pets, for example. The picture we'll take from the search. It's kind of a animal, ocelot, I think. Here we paste the picture, alt will be pet, and publish true. Okay, so also what we can add is go to the column, and we'll add another parameter, which is parent category ID or name. So adding this parameter will allow us to build a category mapping on our website. So kind of we can set the parent category ID to the computer, so our pets category will be under the computers category. So let's paste here parent, add new record, and also here parent. And the parent category will be computers with number 1. Okay, so here our one record. Let's save it. Save as. On the desktop with comma delimiter .csv. Save. Now let's go here, save and continue edit. And go to main, select that file that we've already saved, and import it. Okay, so we have the report from that import. We have success, updated 1 row. Now let's go to the categories, update the page. And we can see that category with the name pets was added to the category computers because we mentioned computers as a parent category of the pets. Now let's go to the edit and see the picture, how it's set it. So here our picture, parent category computers. So that's all for categories, category import. Now let's try to add some products to this category. So we go to the templates and create new template. With the entity of product category mapping. We'll be covering the product key as a SKU. Now let's get the format as CSS and product category mapping as a name. Now let's save and continue and go to the column mapping. So firstly we will paste the key, that's our product key, that's SKU. Next we will category name or ID with the source of category. And the next is featured product, featured. Okay, so we've created 3 columns for our paste. Now let's get to our file and modify it a little bit. We had SKU. Then we had category and featured. Okay, so let's find some simple product. In order to add it to our category, let's go to the products page. Let's add build your own PC product to this category because it has a picture of seal, which we covered in the first part of the ImportManager nopcommerce plugin. So the SKU is comp cast. Let's get here. The category will be pets and featured, for example, true. Okay, great. Now we save that file and go to the here, main, select the upload file and select that file that we've saved. Import now. And we see that one row updated successfully. Okay, so let's go to the catalog products and see if our product is in our needed category. So here our product is in category computers pets and computers desktop. So we've added a computers pets to our product. So that's great. That's all about categories I wanted to show today. Thank you for watching and have a great day.